Where are you?
I am working inside. I am writing a letter to my friend. I am telling him about my life and my new job.
Are you using the computer?
I am not using the computer because I like to handwrite letters. My hand is getting tired though.
Where is Mary?
Mary is cooking in the kitchen. She is chopping up some vegetables because she is making a vegetable soup.
How is she making it?
She is reading a recipe and following the instructions inside. She is enjoying herself.
What is Bob doing?
Bob is working on his car. He is giving it a tune-up. He is changing the oil and checking all the parts of the cars.
But he is not working? He is just standing there.
He is taking his time because he wants to do the job right. He is listening to the radio as he works.
Where are the twins?
They are playing outside. They are playing soccer with their friends. They are using the front lawn as a soccer pitch.
Are they having fun?
They are having a lot of fun. They are exercising, so they are burning lots of energy. I think they are trying to lose weight.
Is this your jacket?
No, that's not mine.
Whose is it?
Maybe it is Tom's jacket.
No, that is his jacket over there.
I'm now sure then.
Is it Beth's jacket?
No, it is too big to be her jacket.
Well, it belongs to someone. Whose car is this?
That belongs to Joe and Sue.
Wow! I like their car.
I know. It is very nice.
It's big too.
Yes, they need space for their kids.
When is our meeting?
It is not until 2.
Are we in room 213?
No, not anymore.
Okay, where is the meeting then?
Our new room is 216.
Got it. I like the new office. So, where is my desk?
Yours is over there. It is next to mine.
Nice. And where is Jill's desk?
Hers is over there.
Where is Bob's desk?
His is in the back, by the window.
How was the movie? It was really good. Was it scary? Yes, it was really scary. Nice. Was it crowded? No, it wasn't. There weren't many people there, surprisingly. Where were you last night? I was at work. Really? I was at your shop. You weren't there. No, I was in the back working. You were? Really? I was there. How was the test? It was really hard. How long was it? There were about 20 problems. Yeah? What was your score? Let's just say, it wasn't great, but it wasn't bad either. Do you know who was at the party? Jason was there. So was Sue. Oh, were Tom and Katie there? No, they weren't there, but their son was. Oh, I see. So, was it fun? Yeah, it was a fun evening.
Do you have any paper? I have some, but not much. How much do you have? I have about 10 sheets of paper. Oh, that is plenty. I just need 5 sheets. Okay, here you go. Do we have any eggs? We have some. Maybe 3 eggs. Okay, and do we have any cheese? No, we don't have any cheese. Oh, that's too bad. I want to make an omelet. Well, I can go to the store and buy some. No, that's okay. I'll just have toast. Care for some coffee? I would love some. Cream or sugar? No sugar, but I'll take a little cream, please. Oh, you know what? We don't have any cream. Is milk okay? That's fine. So, what did you get for lunch? I bought some stuff to make sandwiches. Oh, great! Did you buy any potato chips? No, I did not. I did not see any. That's okay. We have some pretzels. That will work. Do you have a pen I can use? No, but I have a pencil. Thanks. Do you have an eraser? The pencil has an eraser. Great. And some paper? My gosh, you don't have anything. Would you like a sandwich? I would love a sandwich. And some chips? Some chips sounds lovely. And a drink? I'm okay. I have a water. How do you like your new house? It's nice. It has a kitchen, a big bedroom, and a nice bathroom. Do you have a yard? No, but I have a patio. Nice. Do you have a good view? No, there is a building next door. Did you like the book? Yes, I loved the ending. Really, I thought the ending was not that good. No way. The surprise at the end was great. Did you like the characters? Yes, I liked everything about it.
What does Bob do?
He works at a hospital.
What does he do there?
He's a doctor. He specializes in sports medicine.
That sounds like a great job.
Yeah, he loves it.
Where does Mary live?
She lives in the countryside.
That sounds nice.
Yeah, she loves it. She has a farm and she raises horses.
Wow, that's so cool.
Yeah, she also grows her own food. She has it all.
How does Sue stay so fit?
She works out all the time.
It sure looks like it.
She also watches what she eats.
Does she follow a special diet?
Yes, she doesn't eat sweets and she doesn't drink alcohol. Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!